In choosing bags, I'm not looking for its brand. Yes, let's say branded bags is important because of its value, but in this generation, we should be more practical. The affordable one is much better. The important thing is the quality. Like this one that I purchased recently in AliExpress. It's a budget-friendly bags, but it looks regal and high-end. This item, guys, a large capacity shoulder bag, retro-printed and multifunctional, made of leather. It's a waterproof and have adjustable strap. The quality looks great. Its design is precise and looks so expensive. One thing I'm also looking this kind of bag, guys, is its comfort, especially related to the strap and bag's overall ergonomics. Always look for adjustable, padded strap that distribute weight evenly and prevent shoulder strain, along with its design that allows the bag to sit comfortably against your body. Like this one, guys, because of its large capacity that can accommodate more things inside, like some wallets, beauty kit, things, or even your smartphone. You can keep your things safe inside. Its breathable back panel also can help prevent sweating and make the bag more comfortable to wear. Most of all, its compartments. Based on what you need to carry, its multiple compartments can your things stay organized, and its versatility. You can use this for both casual and more formal occasions. The style and color also that complements my personal style. That's the real thing, guys. I have also believed that luxury bags are just accessories that represent life, attitude, a symbol of sophistication. That's what our video is all about. Just choose wisely, guys. It's very subjective and it depends to your taste and usage. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching.